of it. It's really easy. So I'm go ahead and using a no wipe top coat. And floating the right on the top. So now it's really cute because I'm gonna add a couple of crystal, just a little crystal right here. What if I just a little for my mix perfect. I can add more, but I think it's good. Let's give it a good enough space. And I need one is empty tray. So now it's great if you want to add any crystal on. If you don't want it, do not worry. Just sprinkle your Diamond Pixie on. But I'm gonna just add just few crystals smaller size on it, so just give it a little bit of bubbling. And you can add any other crystal that you have. I just happen that I have the my Whimsical mix for Valentine here, so I'm using it. So I'm open the Pixie. Is be careful, and then getting closer to the tray. Just don't getting it too high up because then it's gonna bounce so hard. And then you're gonna do, make sure you get it on the left side and on the right side. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at this. This is showing this the kisses in the heart and the lips in the kiss right here. So move this on the side for a second, just for now. And then it's already on the nails nicely. So only I need to do is just give it a little like taps on to make sure that it's stay nice and compact right on the top. I do like this look a lot. It's like it's had the image underneath, and it like have a I like soft look. And don't worry about this, it's gonna come right off because it's just on the cuticle with no condensed glue gels and then no wet top. All right, so make sure on the side, I usually turn on the side to see if any of the extra one that it was there that you want to just like tap it off before you cure. All right, so now happy, we are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds.